Hi, this is Stefan with Tesco, and today we're going to show off some of the differences between the Melfred Borzall Ogre and our competitor stack plate Reamer. Now they're both 24-inch Reamers, but we want to show off some of the differences that the Melfred Borzall design has. The first and most obvious difference is the carbide cutters. Notice the amount on the Ogre versus the competition. And on the Ogre, we have over 100 carbide cutters all the way throughout. On top of that, there is the block cutters down at the front. On the competition's Reamer, we have 60% less cutters on here. There's only about 40 total compared to the Ogre. The amount of carbide cutters that are on the Ogre makes it cut significantly smoother with less vibration. And there's always carbide cutters on the formation as it's turning in the hole, which makes it consistent and faster. Next, you're going to notice the amount of cutters that are behind as a backup row. So if you break this set, you have another backup one. On the competition, you'll notice there is no backup row, just a bunch of hard facing. Next, we're going to talk about the depth of the channel. On the Ogre, it's a deeper channel, so therefore it accomplishes two things. It mixes better, and it has less downhole pressure. And if you notice on the competitions, it is shallower, the channels are wider, and so therefore you would have less mixing power and more downhole pressure. The next feature we're going to talk about is the water jets. As you can see on the Ogre, there's way more ports than on the competition. This helps keep the Reamer clean and lubricated. The nozzles are also pointed away from the carbide cutters to keep from washing them out. And if you notice on the competitions, there are fewer ports. They're also a little smaller, and they are behind the cutters. Next thing we're talking about is the block cutters. On the Ogre, they're placed on the leading cut of the ream. This protects your shaft and also helps you ease into smaller pilot holes. And if you notice, over here on the competition, there is no block protection at all. Next, we're going to talk about the welding. On the Ogre, it's welded on the outside and on the inside. This helps for a sturdier construction. All the features we talked about today speak to Melfred Borzall's quality and durability. The Ogre is built to last. At over 1,100 pounds, this thing's a beast. Even Borzall's custom-made pallet is made to last. Much better than the competition's wooden pallet. At Tesco, we represent only the best, and as you've seen, the Melfred Borzall Ogre is the best stack plate reamer that money can buy. Check out the Ogre and all of the other high-end tooling that Melfred Borzall offers over at TescoUSA.com. You can also call and speak with one of our sales reps over at 972-323-0140. Remember to like our video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.